Want to level up your payment game? Imagine a world where splitting bills and managing group expenses is a breeze. Let's dive into UPI Circle 2024 and see how it can transform your financial interactions. This year, UPI Circle is smoother, faster, and safer. First, let's talk updates and new features. You can now create circles with your friends, family, or even co-workers for group expenses. It's perfect for any social or professional setting. Think split bills at dinner, team gifts, or shared subscriptions. No more awkward conversations about who owes what. So how do you activate it? It's simpler than you think. Open your UPI app, tap on Create Circle, and invite members by entering their UPI IDs. Easy, right? It's just a few taps away. Once everyone joins, you can request or send money within the circle, hassle-free. It's seamless and efficient. New features also include setting spending limits so you can manage your budget better, and automated payment reminders so no one forgets their share. Never miss a payment again. Plus, it's super secure with end-to-end encryption. Got it? Your data is always protected. Great. Now you're ready to make UPI Circle 2024 work for you. Enjoy the convenience and security. Share this video to help others stay in the loop. Happy circling. Spread the word and make everyone's life easier. Remember, UPI Circle 2024 is designed to make your life easier. Whether it's for personal or professional use, it's the ultimate tool for managing group expenses. From planning trips with friends to organizing family gatherings, UPI Circle 2024 has got you covered. Setting up a group is quick and easy. Just a few taps and you're ready to go. Enjoy the ease of managing payments and the joy of hassle-free transactions. UPI Circle 2024 is here to make your financial life simpler and more enjoyable. So, what are you waiting for? Activate UPI Circle 2024 today and experience the future of group payments. Happy circling.